I'm Dr. Heather Moore, owner of Total Performance Physical Therapy. Today, we're going to go through some exercises that can help reduce knee pain. Being it's marathon, half marathon season, I see a lot of people in the clinic that come in with an undescript knee pain. There's no tears, there were no falls, no strains of any kind, but their knee hurts. Most of the time, this is due to muscle imbalances throughout the hip and the knee. Doing these exercises will help reduce some of the pain and some of the stress on the knee, therefore reducing the inflammation and therefore reducing the pain. The first one I'm going to show you is step downs. So you're going to find a step. Start off on a low step. Don't go right away to a normal height step. And you're going to come over and you're going to balance on one leg. And you're going to step up onto the step. Now, you're going to start in this position. And what you want to do is lower yourself nice and easy to the ground and then come back up. Now, to make that harder, what you want to do is just nice and easy, touch down, and then just come right back up. You want to do 30 of those on each leg. If you fall off, you have to start back over at one. You want to make sure as you're doing this that the weight is in the heel on the step, on the foot on the step. Don't have it in your toes or you will experience knee pain. So make sure as you step down that the weight is on the heel. I can't stress that enough. The next exercise that we're going to do is called a single leg deadlift. This is going to work your glutes and your hamstrings and also challenge your balance. So what you're going to do is you're going to start in this position and you're going to lift your legs straight back. Now the key with this is you want to keep your back straight. You don't want to do this and come forward. So once you feel your back start to break, you're done, all right? So you want to lift your leg up as high as you can and come as far forward as you can. You also don't want to rotate your hips. So be careful of these easy traps that you can fall into that will make this exercise very easy, but also in the end cause you more knee pain. So you want to go down as far as you can and then come back up. You want to try not to touch down in between each one. You want to try and do 30 on one leg and then go and do 30 on the other leg. The next one is just a simple balance exercise, but most people, believe it or not, have balance issues. So you want to stand on a pillow with one foot and balance. Hold that as long as you can. Do 5 of those. If that becomes too easy, what you can do is close your eyes. Do the same thing and balance on a pillow. The next exercise you're going to do is hip abduction. This is going to help train the side of your legs. So you're going to stand right in the middle of the floor, and you're going to just kick this leg out to the side, okay? Now you want to make sure that you go to the side and come back a little bit, so you're not coming forward. This exercise would be fairly easy, so you want to make sure that you're going back as well as out to the side. You also want to make sure that you're trying not to touch down in between each one. You may feel this on the other leg more than you do the actual leg in the air. Do 30 on one side and then switch to doing 30 on the other side. The next one we're going to do is bridging, or single leg bridging. So you're going to lay down on the floor, and what you're going to do is you're just going to push your butt as high off the ground as you can. Good. You want to put the weight in through your heels, and then you're going to lower yourself down, trying not to touch the floor, and then coming back up. Nice and easy. Good. If this is too easy, you can lift one leg off the ground and do the same thing. You want to do 30 on one leg, 30 on the other leg, or if you're just doing both legs, do 30 total. Finally, you're going to do mountain climbers. This is going to get your arms, your stomach, your knees, your hips, everything into shape. So you're going to flip over into push-up position. And you're just going to start by bringing your knees up to your chest, nice and easy, and then increase the pace. You want to do this for a minute, 3 times. By doing those exercises once a day, that will help reduce the stress on your knee and help